In today's video I'm gonna give you unbelievable information about lemon and the hip arthritis. But usually if you have any kind of arthritis in any other joints, lemon can help you. At the end of the show I'm gonna give you my special recipe of the tea that you can drink in each day for 15 days in a row, and you can relieve your pain, inflammation and many other problems with your hip or any other conditions about the joints. You will be blown away what lemon can do to your body. Lemon is a small evergreen tree growing about 7 meters with green light toothed leaves. Lemons were a remedy for scurvy caused by lack of vitamin C long before vitamin C was identified. Thought to be native of India, lemon trees were the first grown in Europe in the 2nd century and are now cultivated in Mediterranean and subtropical climates worldwide. Propagated from the seed in the spring, they prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sun. The fruit is harvested in the winter when the vitamin C content is high quality. Usually, of course, that is go without the saying, you must use organic natural lemon tree lemon leaves, and this can help you a lot. Lemon has many other health benefits that is gonna surprise you a lot. Key actions is antiseptic, anti-rheumatic, antibacterial and antioxidant, reduce fever and much more. One of the big problems when you have arthritis of the hip or any kind of arthritic conditions of the joint is excessive acidity of your body, which comes from the consumption of drugs, poor diet, and many other causes. Here, lemon can play a big, simple role. Despite its acid content, when digested, lemon has alkaline effect with the body make it useful in arthritic conditions where acidity is contributing factor. This is one of the problems that you never think about it. Your poor diet, every trash that you eat each day for the years and years, maybe tens of years. You take many medications, of course, your body go in acidic state. And this acidic state of your body plays a big role on growing inflammation in your hip or any other joints. If you take the lemon in proper way, this acidity can go in the lower level, and this lower level of acidity or normal acidity in your body is contributing factor that you can get better if you have any kind of hip arthritis. The volatile oils is antiseptic and antibacterial. The bioflavonoids are antioxidant and strengthen the inner lining of blood vessels, especially veins and the capillaries, and help counter varicose vein and easy bruising. Lemon is valuable preventative medicine. Its antiseptic and cleansing action make it useful for those prone to atherosclerosis and to infections on the fevers, especially of the stomach, liver and the intestines. Its ability to strengthen blood vessel walls help prevent circulatory disorders and bleeding gums. Lemon is also useful as general tonic for many chronic illness. Above all, it's food that help maintain general good health. The whole fruit especially treat atherosclerosis, weak capillaries and the varicose vein. That is also well researched, and we know now very well. When you take lemon in proper way, it can help you a lot with your heart and the blood vessels. It can prevent that you get any kind of blood clots. It can help you with the varicose veins, take back into normal your heart blood pressure. Everything is going to help you a lot in your general way. Also, lemon juice is good for colds, flu and the chest infections. It stimulates liver detoxification, improves the appetite and helps ease stomach acidity, ulcers, arthritis, gout and rheumatism. As a gargle, lemon juice is helpful for the sore throats, gingivitis and mouth ulcers. Externally, lemon juice can be applied directly to the acne, athlete's foot, chilblains, insect stings, ringworm, sunburn and the warts. Everything and much more lemon does for our body. For today's show, for you is very important. I'm gonna give you right now my perfect recipe for one special tea that you can drink it in the periods for the whole year, in the, of course, periods of the rest, and you can be much better if you have any kind of hip arthritis or any kind of joint problems. I give you a wonderful recipe for reducing hip pain. Combine 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1.5 tablespoon of hot water, crush garlic clove, and a pinch of cinnamon. Drink up to 3 times a day for 15 days in a row. In this one perfect remedy, you just need the water, you need the lemon, you will need garlic, and you need cinnamon. These 4 natural remedies are the perfect for your hip conditions and can help you a lot. As I said many times before, these natural remedies is for the natural purposes only. If you take any kind of medications that have any kind of side effects, usually you cannot combine this. That means if you take any kind of medications for your hip problems, you cannot use this drink. But for everyone that wants to live healthy and gives your body the chance to get better in natural way, this special remedy, lemon and much more, can help you in natural way with any kind of side effects.